In this video, I'll show you how to create a fully working Windows 11 bootable USB directly from your Android phone. You don't need a computer for this process. If your PC doesn't have an operating system installed, or you don't have another working computer with you, this method will help you install Windows 11 very easily. So, let's begin. First, open your browser on your Android phone. Search for Windows 11 ISO download. Open Microsoft's official website. Scroll down and download the Windows 11 disk image ISO file. The file is around 7 gigabytes, so make sure you have enough storage space. Now take your USB pen drive. To connect it to your phone, use a Type-C OTG adapter. Your phone will automatically detect the pen drive. If you want, you can also use a micro SD card with a micro SD card reader instead of a pen drive. Both will work fine. Now, go to the Play Store and install an app called Ultimate USB. This app supports ISO burning for multiple operating systems, including Windows 11. After installation, open the app. You'll see your USB pen drive detected with its name and storage size. Tap on ISO Burner. Inside the ISO Burner section, tap Pick ISO. Browse your Downloads folder and select the Windows 11 ISO you downloaded earlier. Scroll down to the bottom and tap Start. You will get a warning saying all data on the USB pen drive will be formatted. This is normal.
It must format the drive before creating the bootable installer. This app requires 2 coins to burn the ISO. You don't need to pay anything. Just tap Watch Add 2 times to earn 2 free coins. Once the coins are added, tap Continue. Now the app will start burning the Windows 11 ISO to the USB pen drive. The burning process usually takes around 10 to 20 minutes. Just make sure you don't disconnect the pen drive or lock your phone while the burning is in progress. Once completed, you'll see the message Burn ISO successfully. Now you can safely remove the USB pen drive from your phone. Take the USB pen drive and connect it to your PC. Start the PC and open the boot menu. Select the USB pen drive from the boot options. The Windows 11 setup will load and you can install Windows 11 normally on your computer. And that's it. This is how you create a Windows 11 bootable USB using just an Android phone. You don't need a laptop or a second computer for this process. And if someone doesn't have a USB pen drive, they can also use a micro SD card with a card reader. Both work perfectly.
If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to AT Tech Zone for more simple and powerful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.